Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And if it's not working with you, then you can just go to Play Store and you can update your app there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your attention.